Carol D. Birks, outstanding professional. An individual who believes every student is entitled to rigorous, challenging, and meaningful learning experiences, Carol Birks is, quite simply, a champion for children and the field of education. One of the state's newest school superintendents, she has spent her career working in some of Connecticut's neediest cities. In her advocacy work, she has challenged systems, built on the strengths of external and internal district partners, and has inspired students, families, and their communities. Her story is one of perseverance and passion. Influencing the lives of students and colleagues in cities like Hartford, Bridgeport, and now New Haven, Carol has been called a lighthouse in education. We know that as she continues to make a difference in the lives of future generations of students and teachers, her light will only grow brighter. Carol, you are an outstanding educator and professional, and most deserving of the Neag School's Outstanding Professional Award.